Hi, this is Georgina Villasenor-Lee, and this is my Week 7 presentation. Welcome. So my program is Homeboy Industries. It's a nonprofit reentry program that provides a variety of resources to individuals who choose to participate in the program. And these are participants are previously incarcerated gang members. And the resources include anywhere from employment, retraining, mental health services, legal services, things of that nature, things to help these previously incarcerated gang members to basically reintegrate themselves back into the community and get their life together. And so when it comes to qualitative research, I think I tried to think, well, what if this program does not help with recidivism? What would I want to know? And so given the variety of resources that are out there to individuals who are released from prison, specifically for gang members, we have, those mandated programs such as probation or parole through the government. But in terms of voluntary reentry programs like Homeboy Industries, I would want to know that what is it about the lifestyle that gang members go back to that and eventually recidivate. So I looked at the 4 different designs, and I don't believe that grounded theory would work. I think it'd be difficult to get 20 to 30 gang members to commit to being observed and to have data collected. I think there would be an issue with trust. I think it'd be more practical for a smaller group. I don't think phenomenology would work either, because this isn't really like a certain event or phenomenon. It's more like a lifestyle that we're looking into. So the 2 that I could think of were ethnography, and I think it'd be most applicable because I think a gang is basically like a culture, so they share values and beliefs, behaviors and language. And I think a case study would also work as well, to be able to follow maybe a few individuals, 1 or 2, to get a very more thorough understanding. But when it comes to ethnography, I think it would work specifically to get a better understanding as to the lifestyle. And I'll discuss also the data collection process. So as we know, as we've learned with ethnography, it's not just interviews, it's a variety of data collection methods. So I think primarily observations would be essential in the data collection process. Also interviews, and this would occur, of course, by means of a gatekeeper. So perhaps through a religious figure that has a relationship with the gangs out there, such as Father Gregory Broyles with Homeboy Industries. I think it'd also be important to look at artifacts as well to understand the culture's history, perhaps videos, pictures, letters of individuals in prison, how it is while they're in prison, and then versus, now that they're out, any sort of journals as well. And then, of course, nowadays with any sort of social media or technology that's available. And in terms of reliability and validity, I thought that reliability might be a challenge in this situation just due to the nature of this, dealing with gangs. It's very sensitive, and I think participants we may find some inconsistency with these tools, as maybe participants or individuals lose trust or just choose not to participate in this process, in the research process. And then also, I don't think that the results would only be applicable to the given environment and location. I don't think it would be able to be generalized throughout the country or another part of the world. Thank you for checking out my presentation. Best of luck to you with our final paper. Have a blessed day.